Okay, just relax and breathe for me. Oh yeah, boy. That was deep, wasn't it? Nope, one more. Double dinger today for you. Should have felt that. Yes, ma'am. Boy, that was good. Smooth as silk. Didn't get much better than that.
Licensed casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win.
Now I'm going to move over to your right one. And then your sacrum right down the center, moving that straight superior to inferior away from L5. And then coming straight P to A on the L5 vertebrae, L4, L3, right there, thoracic, lower thoracic spine on the knee chest table, but I'm coming above that now and doing a diversified move on her thoracic spine vertebrae. We saw those. Now I'm going to put the curve back in her cervical spine. Maybe slide down just a little bit. Must have a lot on your mind today, head's heavy. There we go. Okay, let's turn that. Good. Get your shoulders, your clavicles here where they attach to your sternum, and then your anterior costosternal joints. Those aren't as sore as they were the first time, are they? I'm adjusting her knee, her hip, and her lumbosacral joint with this one. There you go. You feel that all the way up?
Yes, sir.
Good deal. Okay, let this one go. There we go. Good. Okay. You gotta love Texas women and Texas men. They have great manners. You always hear yes sir, no sir, yes ma'am, no ma'am. It's how we brought. And one of my favorite Tom Petty songs, Southern Accents. You ever listen to that song? That was a shame about his death. You know, it just came out a couple of weeks ago that he died of opioid overdose from fentanyl and opioids. Just his whole system. One more. Right there. And there.
Okay, so I feel a lot of tension right here. We're going to breathe into that again. You know? And slide your right arm forward a little bit. And you're going to gently lift your head up. There you go. Beautiful. We got some movement in T12. Breath in again. All the way out. Excellent. Right at T8. And just one step ahead of me. I love that. Wow. That's good chant, man. Hips relax. Excellent motion, upper lumbar, breathe in. You're good right there, my man, I got you. Drop the hips, we're gonna tuck it, yeah, just like that. Let them roll off the table, right through there. We're gonna keep these right there, loosen the shoulders, loose. Wow. Big breath in, and out. Excellent motion there. Head relax.
No, I'm okay.
Breathe again.
Thank you.
And out. Wow. Bring your arm across the body. You know what? Let's actually turn all the way around here. More room here. And then I'm going to hold here. You're going to fall back into me. Breathe in. And out. Relax your body. Wow. Okay, a little tiny bit of movement there. Arm down. One more. Hands on top of mine. Squeeze down. Perfect. Amazing, bud.
Tender spot there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, start there. So tip this right ear over to your shoulder. Good. And we'll go one more time. Awesome. Okay. Big breath in and out. And we're gonna go one more time here. Big breath in and out. Good job. Not so much spasming in the low back, huh?
Yeah, that's so much better.
Yeah. A little easier. Good job. Good move. Good job. How's your shoulder?
Good.
It's good too?
Yep.
The comeback king.
I know.
Two level on this left side. Good. That moved very easily. And we'll come down to the T1 on that right. And that moved very well also. See if I get some movement like this. Yep, thoracics are moving very nicely. Good. A little bit of tightness and tension in that left side here in that low back. We're just gonna go through and work this out here. Good. I'm gonna have you lay flat on your back. Open up and get the lumbar spine moving a little bit better here. There we go. Felt that move? Yeah. Okay. So this is where we go ahead and make that adjustment. There it goes. Okay. I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in for me and exhale out. There we go. Good. So now that we have everything cleared out, and as I come up right up here at the top, we just track down. There we go.
Your big breath in, Jay. All the way out. Shoulders relax.
Oh God.
Yeah, big movement there. Breathe in again here. All the way out. Yeah, it's tight through there today, right?
Yeah.
It really is. Breathe in again, Jay. Let the shoulders relax down. Chest relax, easy.
I feel like normally that one's so good.
It's, yeah, normally it moves so easily, right?
Yeah.
You know, so shoulders relax, head relax. Easy, easy right there. Let your neck loose.
Oh God.
We got it.
There it went.
Big movement there. Good job, Jay. You doing okay?
Yeah.
It does. Luckily, the body can heal.
It's true.
You will be okay. You are okay.
It's true.
We're going to go like this, Jay. We're going to breathe in nice and deep. And out. Hips dropped all the way.
Oh God. There she went.
There you go. And now the hips relaxed all the way. There we go. All right. That C2 vertebrae there.
Oh God. I was not expecting that.
Tell people is the #1 benefit you've experienced from getting adjusted, getting.
Vai subir outra devagar agora. Tá bom? Pode descer. Respira bem fundo pra mim. Vai soltando o ar, vai relaxando o corpo pra mim. Muito bom. Excelente. Vai pro outro lado. Respira bem fundo. Deixa o ar sair devagarinho. Solta bem. Muito bom. Excelente, galera. Boa, respira bem fundo pra mim. Deixa o ar sair pela boca devagarinho. Vai relaxando seus ombros, tá? Vai soltando o corpo. Solta mais. Solta o ombro aí pra mim. Ótimo. Muito bom. Tá. Tem dois aqui também. Pode relaxar. Respira bem fundo pra mim. Deixa o ar sair devagarinho. Relaxa o ombro. Muito bom. Excelente. Segurar a respiração, tá? Bem tranquilo. Fechar os olhos, sempre é bom pra você relaxar. Bem soltinho. Aí, garoto. Vai respirando, vai relaxando, vai soltando esse ombro aqui pra mim. Muito bom. Excelente. Fecha os olhos, vai relaxando, deixa bem soltinho. Mais um.
where it's coming from. Right here at C2. Very good. Great. Good. Very nice. Good. Feel these joints very restricted. L4, L5, her left sacroiliac joint. Excellent. Let's go on the other side. We're going to test the motion of the lumbar vertebrae above, L1, L2, and the sacroiliac joint on this side as well. Good. Just relax. Good. Beautiful. Very good. Let's see. Let's go face down.
Okay, good. So no pain over the SI joints here. Any pain directly over the sacrum when I push down? Nope. Good. Okay. So low back is good, which for him, you know, there we go. Perfect. How'd that feel? Good. Good. Okay. And on this side, just a little one here on the T1. Perfect. How'd that feel? So what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to have you take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Breathe all the way out. Good. There you go. How did that feel? Oh, good. Good. So this is where I'm going to distract in the y-axis. There we go. And how did that feel? Soft tissue work done. So what I'm doing here is I'm going in underneath that scapula, and we're really just getting in there. So what I'm feeling if there's any muscle adhesions, which a good thing is, as you guys can tell, you know, my hand can really get underneath that scapula. But right now we're going through some of the areas in the trap here. So all of the muscles, especially in the trap, are going to be contributing to that shoulder issue he's having. In the back, which this is not a fun area at all as well. And then when coming through the pec, we're almost going into the armpit a little bit too.